Today we are going to look into bash scripting. So bash scripting, uh, this is the definition. So bash scripting commonly refers to writing and executing scripts using bash shell. So, but in the context of your recent queries, specifically Red Hat registration, typically means creating shell scripts and automating few of the management tasks. Okay. So bash scripting ideally it's a set of commands that we put into the sequential way of how we write programmings. Okay, so it will execute few of the commands and provide us the desired output. Okay, so commonly bash scripting widely used to automate few of the monotonous task or whatever uh, we do on day-to-day basis, like uh, booting up the operating system, checking for the server's health. Okay, and to understand what is the output. If output is fine, if say for example if CPU usage is 90%, then we can write a automation command to remove few of the temporary files or some of the shreds. Okay, so basically scripting means it's writing some uh, uh, scripts, like writing and executing the scripts in the bash shell for automating the management tasks. Okay, so every script we need to start with this particular line. Okay, so this ampersand exclamatory mark, we call it a shebang. Okay, it's called shebang and followed by bin and bash. Okay, so this line is used at very top of the bash script. It informs the operating system. It tells the operating system that the file should be executed using the bash shell. Okay, so this executable file, typically it can be found in this particular what uh, location. Okay, slash bin slash bash, it's a file system, it's a folder. Okay,
Okay.
so here we call it as a directory. This can be found in here. So you can read this. So any code written after this line in this file will be executed as bash commands. It makes your script portable and ensures consistent interpretation no matter how your script is launched. Okay,
Okay.
so we'll start with the basic scripting and then we'll go into each and every topics. Let me create a new directory which is specifically for scripts. Scripts. Okay, so .sh is the file format that we need to create a script. Okay, scripting file. So normal like txt .js for JavaScript and .py for Python. So similarly, .sh is for shell scripting in Linux. So we
So
are
only for the scripting though.
yeah. So it will inform the system that this is the scripting file sh. So let's so normally let's look at certain commands like, let's say free -m. Okay, so it is providing us some output. Okay, so now df-h, so it is providing us some output. Okay, uptime, it is providing us some output. Say now I don't want to type each and every command every time after I log in. So by just executing one simple scripting file, I want all this output. Okay. So now what we are
Okay.
going to do is we are going to write a script for this and then execute that. So VIM, I already installed it. So I'm right now in CentOS. Okay, CentOS doesn't have VIM by default. We need to install it. Okay. So
Okay.
let me start with one underscore um, first first script dot sh. Okay, dot sh is very important. I open this script. So we need to first and foremost line is we need to mention shebang. Insert shebang slash bin slash bash. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to write the command free hyphen m. Okay.
Mm.
And then dfh dfh df hyphen h. Before that, let's put uptime. Okay. So this is very simple. All these three commands going to get executed by running this script. So escape colon clear. So by default, the script doesn't have executable privilege. So we need to change the mod 744. Okay, now it is executable. -L. So root can execute, other users only can read. So while for executing dot backward slash and the file name. Okay, we need to mention the absolute path if we are running it from different location. Now we are in the same folder, so I'm just mentioning the file name. Okay, see all these three commands are executed. This is the uptime, this is the memory, this is the disk fragmentation. Okay, so let me make it little human readable.